I'm Emily with Lake Lifter, and today I'll be installing a 24-volt boat house solar charging kit to charge the batteries powering your boat lift motor. This kit includes a powerful 24-volt panel, a universal mounting arm, 2 mounting straps, a charge regulator with LED lighting, 2 battery status indicators, and a fuse connector. Install the solar panel in an area that receives maximum sunlight. Securely tighten the mounting arm. Now route the wires down to the batteries using the provided cable ties. Take the fuse connector and connect it to the battery. Red to positive, black to negative. Then you will connect to the battery side of the charge regulator. And the side labeled solar will connect to the solar panel. Then you can see on the charge regulator that we are active and charging based on the LED lighting. Install everything in the box. This completes installation of the solar charging system. I'm Emily with Lake Lifter. Thanks for watching.